Hello students, welcome to the laboratory practical for basic science in chemistry. Today we are going to perform experiment number 9, determination of pH value. In this experiment we are going to determine the pH values of different solutions so that the student will be able to determine the nature of the solution and will be able to apply this knowledge for corrosion preventive measures in industry. So, the aim of today's experiment is to determine the pH value of the given solutions using pH meter and universal indicator. We require different resources for the conduct of this experiment. This is test tube stand along with the test tubes labeled as A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Then we require 7 different solutions, which are filled here in these beakers A, B, C, D, E, F and G. And we require a universal indicator for the determination of pH. And this is a pH meter. And we require a glass electrode for the determination of pH of these solutions with the help of pH meter. This is a pH paper and this is a pH reference index. According to the color of the pH paper, we are going to determine the pH of the solution. Now coming to the procedure part of this experiment, first we will carry out part 2 procedure, that is determination of pH of these solutions by using universal indicator. First we will start with solution A taken in this beaker and we have another test tube labeled as A. We will transfer little solution in test tube labeled as A, and we will add a drop of universal indicator into this test tube. And we will observe the color change in the solution taken in the test tube. See the color of the solution A by matching this color with the reference index given on this universal indicator bottle. By matching the color change observed in test tube A with the reference index of pH, the pH of this solution A is 2 by using universal indicator. Same procedure is followed for the remaining solutions. Now we have taken solution B in test tube. Add a drop of universal indicator. Shake the test tube and observe the color change in the test tube. By matching this color with the reference index, the pH of this solution is 10. We will note down this observation in the observation table. For solution B, the pH is 10. Solution C is taken in the test tube. Add a drop of universal indicator. Shake the test tube and observe the change in the color of the solution. Again the solution is light orange. The pH of this solution is 4. We will note down the observation as 4 in pH by universal indicator column. we had taken solution D in the test tube, and the color change observed for D solution is light green, which matches with reference pH 7 on pH reference index. Now we have taken solution E in the test tube. Drop of universal indicator, shake the test tube and observe the change in the color. Okay. Now it has become dark green. The pH of this solution E is matching with reference index pH paper as 8. Solution F taken in the test tube. The color matches with pH 8 again. pH of this solution F matches with pH of 9. Now taking solution G in test tube. Add a drop of universal indicator. Shake the test tube and observe the change in the color of the solution. Let us match this color with the pH reference index. pH of solution G is dark blue. It matches with the reference index of pH 10.5. Here we have finished with the determination of pH of this solution A to solution G by using universal indicator. You can see the change in the color of these solutions using universal indicator. Now we have modified the procedure for part A. Instead of pH meter, we are going to use this pH paper for the determination of pH of these solutions using this pH reference index. Now we will determine the pH of these solutions with the help of pH paper, and then we will match the change in the color of these pH papers with this reference index. We will place this pH paper in the solution A. See, observe the change in the color of the pH paper. Let us match it with the pH reference index. The pH of this solution is 2. Next, solution B. Observe the change in the pH of paper. It matches with 10, pH 10. The paper has become dark blue. Next, solution C. Next, solution C is taken. Let us dip this paper in solution C. Observe the change in the color of this pH paper. It has become orange. So, the pH of solution C is 4. Place this pH paper in solution D and observe the change in the color of the pH paper. It has become light green. The color matches with pH 7. And next, solution E. The color of the pH paper matches with pH 9. Next, solution F. See the change in the color of pH paper. It matches with 10. Check the pH of solution G with the help of pH paper. It has turned light green, matching with pH 8. Here we have finished with the pH determinations of these solutions A to G. Now coming to the observation part of this experiment. Observation table is provided in the manual. Test solution A to G, pH by universal indicator, pH by pH paper, and third column is by pH meter. Okay. Depending upon the pH values, you have to enter the results. The solution whose pH is less than 7, the solutions are said to be acidic. Solutions with more than 7 pH are said to be basic, and solution with exact 7 pH are said to be neutral. So according to the values of pH, you have to write down the results, and interpretation is already given, and lastly conclusion, you are supposed to write the nature of the solution. And last part is the question answers given at the end of the experiment. Okay. The details of observations, results, interpretation and conclusion with question answers will be discussed in PowerPoint presentation, which will be provided to you. Thank you.